Now we will move to the booleans. Okay, booleans are nothing but some logic will be there. If logic is correct, then we will be having one output, that is the true. If logic is wrong, then we will be having a like false, right? For example, if I say print is 10 is greater than 2. I'm asking, is it 10 is greater than 2? Its output will be true because yes, 10 is more than 2. If I say 10 is less than 2, false it says, right? Like this, okay. When I like to check that some logic, okay, I may be defining like A is equal to 10, B is equal to 21, and I'm checking, is it A is greater than B, okay. The output will be in a Boolean, means true or false. And this will be very important when it comes to the logical formulas like if, and, or. When we discuss about those formulas, now, if logic is true, then we will be doing something. In the loops also we use this one. Okay, while loop we will be using most of the time. Okay, when logic is true, it will be execute one thing. If logic is false, it will execute the other set of codes. Okay, those time we will be using this output, true or false. Boolean means the output will be either true or false. Based on a logic it will works. Very simple it is. Okay, booleans are nothing but a any logic is that the logical output will be true or false. This thing you need to remember, means any logic we are testing in a Python, that logic output will be in a Boolean. That Boolean will be either true or false, and true capital, false F capital. Okay, so this is one you need to remember in terms of the Booleans. Very simple it is. Nothing to worry about in a Booleans about much.